Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install an IPA file on your iPhone or iPad without using any extra apps. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Inside Screen Time, scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure the switch at the top is turned on. Next, tap on iTunes and App Store Purchases. Then, tap Installing Apps and set it to Allow. Now go back and tap on Allowed Apps, or it may say All Apps and Features depending on your iOS version. Here, make sure that Safari is turned on. This is important for downloading the IPA file. Once that's done, open the Safari browser on your device. Search for the IPA file you want to install, and you'll be able to download and install it directly through Safari. And that's it. You've now enabled your iPhone or iPad to install IPA files easily, without any third-party apps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.